now we're on another train, and we are on our way to Vienna, Austria. So, Austria. I have to buy mustard in Austria, and maybe a pretzel. I was told to get a schnitzel, but I had a schnitzel last night, and I don't know how it can get any better, or I could probably get worse. So maybe that was bad. I don't know. We'll see. So we're there longer than we were here in Slovakia. So we will be able to take our time a little bit more before we catch the train back to Budapest later. Okay. Enjoy the ride. Well, it was bound to happen. I'm in Austria, but when I tried to get an Uber to the main square, my card wouldn't work. So I tried to get cash, and it times out on me. And I have no euros on me. All I have is American and Hungarian. So I got on the old chat with the old bank, and the old bank was like, nope, it's not on our end. We don't even see you trying to use your card. I was like, oh, well, that's just wonderful. So now I'm basically stuck here for a couple hours with nothing. So I'm just kind of walking around this little town that I'm in. It's like the outskirts of downtown Vienna. I came across this pretty cool, and it's a vending machine for the pharmacy. You put your stuff in there and whatever you need. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna need some of that back stuff. I'm gonna need some of the foot stuff. So I thought that was pretty cool. Keeps you from having to go in, that's for sure. So, but seems like an alright place. Trying to see if I can find another ATM machine. Yeah, so wish me luck. Okay, so this is future me. So what happened was the Bolt app wouldn't work, so I couldn't get a taxi. My Navy Fed cards wouldn't work, so I couldn't get any cash, or I couldn't even buy anything. For whatever reason, the security was just like not working. And then I went to a bakery at the train station, and it was like, can we try to see if this works with your machine? And he was like, okay. So I bought a Coke. I was like, oh my God, it works. So I'm like, but it doesn't work anywhere else. This is so weird. So I did something I normally don't do, and that is go to a random car that has the taxi sign on top of it. It's a huge risk. I don't recommend anybody doing it. This guy could have just, like, as soon as I got out of the car, took off with all my stuff. But I'm in Austria for one night. I actually ended up paying this taxi driver $100 to drive me, because that's all the cash I had, an American, to drive me around to all the spots in Austria, just so it wasn't a complete waste of a trip to Austria. And I'm stuck in this train station where I was told to get off at, but it was like 4 train stations too early. So, all right, back to the live action. Pop. That's crazy. right here in the middle of the center of the city is this big old church. This is so amazing. Okay. Wow. You can't tell me this is beautiful. Absolutely. So I have this taxi driver driving me around Austria or Vienna so we can check and look at this stuff. Absolutely gorgeous. The detail, you'll never get the full detail in my camera of this place. Absolutely incredible. And I have to do it in a hurry because of the other issues.
Your train is 20.
The train. Very nice.
That is the parliament. This is the parliament.
ice skating rink out here and everything. Alright, so we're actually at the right train station now, and this place is huge. Gotta be. It's really like a mall inside. It's pretty cool.
Dieser Zug fährt voraussichtlich 30 bis 40 Minuten später ab. Grund dafür ist eine Verzögerung in einem Nachbarland. Bitte beachten Sie, dass sich die Verspätungen an dieser Zeit verändern. I'm
still about an hour early, so I don't even have my train where I'm supposed to be yet. So once that's up, I'll figure out where I need to go and then just go chill out for a while and catch my train, go back to Budapest. So we're gonna go wait for our train. So far it's gonna be 5 minutes late, but thought I'd show you the train station. So this is number 10. So that's probably 11, because I have to be over here at 9. Hello.